Tired of manually filling out DocuSign agreements with the same HubSpot data over and over? I'm about to show you how to automate that tedious process. In this video, we're diving into the seamless integration between DocuSign and HubSpot, revealing how you can pre-fill your DocuSign agreements with contact information directly from your HubSpot CRM. First, ensure you have the DocuSign integration enabled within your HubSpot account. Navigate to the contact record that you want to send a DocuSign agreement to. Now, ensure the properties you want to populate in DocuSign are actually filled in within the respective deal or contact you are working with, like the name, email, phone number, and company. Next, create your template in DocuSign and make sure the fields are labeled according to your naming convention. For example, you might label the full name as HubSpot Contact Full Name. Use the HubSpot integration button inside of DocuSign to map the fields. This will allow DocuSign to dynamically import the data into the fields. Once you send it, the DocuSign should appear within your HubSpot deal or contacts sidebar. And there you have it, a DocuSign agreement automatically pre-filled with your HubSpot data, saving you time and boosting efficiency. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering HubSpot and DocuSign.